Wagwan. This is IAJT TV with your boy Duwali. Now, guess what? We have visit one of the popular spots them in St. Thomas today, the people. Guess what? Roselle Falls. Now, remember this is on your way to St. Thomas Moran Bay. People may I tell you, y'all will love this spot. You know, both residents and foreigners alike find this place breathtaking. And you know, on my way to Moran Bay, I had to stop myself to check out Roselle Falls. So come with me, people. Now this is overlooking the Caribbean Sea, right on the main road. So you have the Caribbean Sea right there on the right, and then the falls on the left. Depends on which direction you're coming from. Just a few, like probably about 30 minutes drive to 1 hour drive from Kingston.
Yes,
now the Roselle Falls attract a lot of tourists and a lot of residents. Now, you know, these falls has a lot of healing properties, so a lot of people with, you know, back pain and stuff like that come to Roselle Falls to relieve some of them pains and aches. And you know, it's good for an early morning shower, or you can just stop by at any time and have a shower if you want. Some people consume this water for, you know, just regular drinking purpose, or their healing properties as well. So let's see what's going on.
Right along the road, next to the beach. Let's come right now and drink. Where's some of you? Guys.
Roselle's Falls overlooks the Caribbean Sea. The popular water stop has been a source of recreation, earning its place in the hearts of residents as one of the parish's quaintest attractions. For some, it is an early morning refreshing shower or a Sunday evening chill spot, and for others, it is the root of their livelihood. If you're ever en route to the east side of Jamaica, Be sure to check out the Roselle Waterfalls and Seaside, which is parallel to the natural spring waterfall. It's absolutely brilliant. Make sure to travel with your swimsuit, as it's literally on the roadside. It's free, so why not drop by and take a dip? You won't regret it.
Jamaica land we love. Land of and water. Okay. Land of and water. Why we don't have much water? But yeah. We have so much water and buy water. Make a nice salmon. Rose. Mind up the dog. So the minerals are good for like healing, pain and everything that we all feel for the mind and everything. Just come for drink up. Yes. Come on, my job took me all about.
Now people, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share, and tune in for our next video, which will be a bomb and IAJT TV. People, tune in next time. See you all. Peace.